Hey guys, Charu this side. Let's paint watercolor donuts today. I have a special helper with me and that's my son. Hi Arav,
Hi.
are you ready for some fun?
Yes, I am.
Okay, great, let's begin. So we started with making rough sketch of donuts where we made one big circle and then small circle inside. And it doesn't have to be a perfect circle as donuts are not exact circles and you can make as many as you want. I made 4 here to demonstrate. So you want to continue with the instructions?
Of course, Mom. First, my mom is putting light brown color on the edges, not all. Some random edges, and she's gonna repeat that on all 4 donuts. That's the first step.
Yeah, which is going to be the base of donut and we are going to put icing on top of that.
Time to add some brown in the middle on the circle.
Okay, let's begin painting our first donut. What do you think, Ara, this flavor is going to be?
I think it's gonna be strawberry because I can see you adding pink on the paper.
Yeah, correct. So just lay down pink on the first donut and we'll be using a technique called lifting technique where we will be lifting the extra color to add some shadows and highlights.
That's the next step. Now, Mom is going to use the lifting technique. Can you tell us how to do it?
Yeah. First thing before using the lifting technique is that you have to make sure that your paper is still wet. So you have to be quick here. And once you cover the whole area with pink wash, start picking up the color using the clean brush in the round circular pattern and make sure your brush is clean. Continue cleaning with the brush with tissue paper and repeat the same couple of times. Add some darker pink on the edges and in the middle and it will give it a 3D effect.
Wow, that's cool.
For next donut we will be using technique wet on wet. For that we will use the clean water and put inside the donut and then start dropping the color. What do you think, Ara, we are doing here now after we're done with laying the color?
I think right now we're adding some more color on the edges.
Yeah, we are just adding more color just to make it a little darker so that we have a 3D effect. As we did in the first one.
Yeah.
And we are using the same lifting technique the way we did in the first donut. So we are just lifting off the color and taking it on the tissue paper.
Yeah. Now, for the third donut, we're going to use the same wet and wet technique and add some water on the donut.
And then we'll start putting the color. What color is it, Arif?
It's brown.
So which flavor is it gonna be?
Chocolate, my favorite.
Yeah.
Now we're dropping the darker shade of brown on the edges and around the small circle in the middle.
Now we are almost done.
It looks so yummy. I feel like eating one. Can you take it out from the screen for me to eat?
Oh, you can have it later, Arav.
Fine. At least I can make one.
Yeah, you can. Now we will paint the last donut the same way, and it's gonna be the blueberry flavor.
For this donut, we're gonna be using the same technique as we use on the chocolate. My favorite. Instead of brown, we're using purple color on this donut. Now here comes my favorite part, the sprinkles.
Yeah, but before adding sprinkles, make sure you check the paper is not wet. Just lightly touch it and feel if it's wet, let it dry for some time, and if it's dry, continue. Add small lines of different colors. It can be red, green, purple, blue, any color. I'm using white gel pen to add white sprinkles here. Similarly, I'm checking the second donut if it's dry or not. It seems dry to me, so I am continuing with it. So here I'm adding some dark brown lines to make it look like some chocolate syrup or some chocolate icing on top. For this donut, I am adding some confettis and sprinkles on top. You can use any color of your choice. I'm using some yellow and white and making some dots and circles. And we are done.
And the donuts are ready.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.